Is Monday, May 10th. We are on our 15th lesson of the unit. Our lesson objective today is I can describe what occurred during the Directory stage of the French Revolution. I can evaluate to what extent this stage of the French Revolution helped the French meet their revolutionary goals. So last week we learned about the National Assembly and the Radical Revolution, the first two stages of the French Revolution. And today we are going to look and learn about the Directory stage. To remind you, the Radical Revolution ends with Robespierre being executed for basically going off the deep end and, exerting too much power, and now we are in the Directory stage. Also, the Radical Revolution was a very violent time period in the French Revolution, where a lot of people were put in prison, a lot of people were executed by guillotine. So, this stage of the revolution is probably going to look quite different from the Radical Revolution stage. So, the title of this part of the revolution is Directory, and if we think about what this word actually means, starting with a simple definition of serving to direct. Another way we could explain it, this word directory, of providing advisory but not compulsory guidance. Compulsory meaning that it's not required. And then last is a directory can be thought of as like a book or collection of directions, rules, or ordinances. So just something to sort of think of as we go into today's lesson. We do have a short glossary today, and one word that we definitely need to be familiar with is the word coup. That's this word right here, C-O-U-P, pronounced coup. A sudden, violent, and illegal seizure of power from a government. Also, this idea of corruption, dishonest, or fraudulent conduct by those in power. There's going to be a little bit of talk of corruption today, and then we're going to learn where Napoleon Bonaparte comes into this story. So we are on step 1, where we're going to head straight over to the pod and answer question 1.